Stalin is delivering his annual address to the party. Suddenly, someone in the auditorium sneezes. "Who was that?" Stalin demands. Silence fills the room. Stalin orders the entire first row to be executed on the spot. "Who sneezed?" he asks again, his eyes scanning the crowd. Still no answer. Stalin then orders the second row to be executed. "Who sneezed?" he asks a third time, his voice icy and dangerous. A man in the back hesitantly raises his hand. "It was me, comrade," he admits, trembling. Stalin glares at him for a moment, then smiles and says, "Bless you."